Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ian, and welcome to another episode of Fun with Forex. And in this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to draw your own support and resistance lines. All right, so let's get right into it. Now, before I draw my lines, I have a few rules that I follow. All right, the first rule is the number of touches of that level. Okay, now what do I mean by that? Now basically price will need to touch a certain point, and the more number of touches, the stronger that level of support or resistance. Okay, so that's the first rule. Now when I draw my lines, I draw them on two different time frames normally, maximum, because I don't like to have too many lines on my charts, and it will make my charts look really messy. So I normally draw my charts on two different time frames. And the first time frame that I draw on, because I'm an intraday trader, I draw it on the daily chart. And the second chart that I draw my lines on is on the hourly chart. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to draw my lines on my daily chart. Now, basically, when I draw lines, I like to choose different colors for my lines. So, let's say for my daily chart, I like red. I'll choose red, and then for my hourly chart, I'll probably choose blue or something like that. Right, so let's start looking for levels. I see a level right here, which is where the current price is resting. Okay, so that's one level. Why I choose that level? Because you got 5 touches. Okay, that's the reason why I chose that level. There's another level here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, another trick I can teach you is that when you double click on the line, and you hold on to control, and then when you click your mouse and then you move your mouse around, you can actually duplicate the horizontal line. So I see another level here with number of touches. Okay, so it's pretty simple, right? I mean, it's um, not difficult. All you need to do is to need to have a good eye and look out for the levels, and that's it. you know I see a level here. It's because it's got a resistance, and then a breakthrough here, and then support here. Okay, and then when you draw your lines, right, when you need to see the how price came to this level, or came to this level here, and then stopped, and it starts to consolidate around this area. If it has got a very very fast momentum towards the level, and then it rallies away, that is a pretty significant level to me. Okay, so that's a pretty significant support right there, right here. And then as you can see, price just came up just one touch and went back down on this, and that's a resistance. Okay, so this level here, at this price, is a very significant level. Okay, now so I'm done with my oh, there's one more which I missed out, this one, right? Now so I'm done with my daily chart. So what I'll do now, I'll move on to my hourly chart. Okay, and then on my hourly chart, I'll continue to draw my levels. But this time I'll change the color of the line to blue. Now where's my blue? Okay, right here. Let's see, where can I shift this? Is there a level here? I think so, 2 touches. And is there a level here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you adjust, you can adjust your lines a little bit so that it touches, as I said, the most number of touches. So you can adjust your line with whereby the most number of candles touches it. Okay. Oops. There's one here, I think. Yeah, three touches. Let's see, there's one here. Just a little bit here. Not a very strong level here. Not really. Okay. Right, there's another level here. One more here. One more here. I'll move it a little bit so that the touches is here. There's a touch here. And that's it. That's my levels, my support and my resistance. Okay? So it's that simple. You know, it's not difficult at all. So because price, when I zoom into my hourly chart, price is around here. When price, trades up to this area, I'll then continue to draw my levels on this side. Okay? So that's how simple it is to draw your support and your resistance lines. If you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Yeah, so that's the end of this episode. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next episode. Cheers.